Welcome to Parakeet, your go-to podcast for bird care. Before we dive into today's episode, make sure to subscribe and leave a like if you find this episode helpful. Your support helps us keep bringing you valuable content to care for your feathered friends. In this episode, we'll discuss a crucial topic: how to tell if your bird is nervous or scared. Birds, especially pets like parakeets, cockatiels, and parrots, are very sensitive to their environment and people. Unlike dogs or cats, birds often hide their emotions, making it difficult to spot when they're stressed or frightened. Recognizing these signs is important for their emotional well-being and helping them feel safe and secure. Let's dive into the key points we'll cover in this episode. 1. Understanding bird emotions. Birds are prey animals and often hide their stress or fear. Knowing how they show nervousness or anxiety is crucial for creating a safe and comfortable environment for them. 2. Common signs of a nervous or scared bird. Recognizing physical signs of a scared bird is essential. These include fluffing up feathers. Birds may puff up to appear larger when frightened. Wide eyes or dilated pupils. This is a common response to fear. Rapid breathing or panting. Anxiety may cause quick breathing. Hiding or cowering. Birds often try to escape a threatening situation. Excessive flapping. Scared birds may flap their wings uncontrollably. 3. Body language. That indicates stress. Birds communicate stress through body language. Watch for tail flaring. Birds flare their tail feathers to appear larger. Head pulling back. A quick head movement can signal nervousness. Posture. A stiff or hunched posture suggests fear or anxiety. 4. Vocalization and sounds. Changes in vocalizations may also indicate stress. Alarm calls. Loud, sharp calls signal distress. Screeching or screaming. A heightened vocalization can indicate fear. Less chirping or whistling. A reduction in vocal activity suggests anxiety. 5. Behavioral signs of anxiety. Birds may show changes in behavior when they're nervous. Avoiding interaction. A bird may avoid contact, even if it was previously social. Aggression or biting. Fearful birds may act defensively. Overpreening or feather plucking. This harmful behavior can be linked to anxiety. 6. How to calm a nervous bird. To help a nervous bird, consider these techniques. Safe space. Provide a quiet and secure area for retreat. Gentle movements. Avoid sudden actions that might startle your bird. Consistent routines. A predictable routine reduces stress. Toys and distractions. Offer mental stimulation to calm your bird. 7. Environmental stressors. Birds can be stressed by changes in their environment. Loud noises or sudden movements. Household sounds like vacuuming or loud talking can frighten birds. Changes in surroundings. Moving their cage or introducing new pets can cause anxiety. Lack of stimulation. Boredom can lead to nervousness. 8. When to seek professional help. If your bird's anxiety persists, it may be time to consult an avian vet or bird behaviorist for expert advice and support. By the end of this episode, you'll be better equipped to recognize signs of nervousness or fear in your bird and take steps to create a more calming environment. Your bird's emotional health is just as important as its physical well-being, and understanding their behavior is key to providing the best care. If you found this episode helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Parakeet for more bird care tips. Let us know in the comments. Have you noticed signs of nervousness in your bird?